Alright, I'm going to show you how to turn on developer options on your Android phone and briefly discuss what you can do with them. I'll first show you how to do it on a Samsung and Pixel phone, and then I'll go over some important info about these settings and what to be aware of when you're using them. Using the developer options can affect your phone's stability, battery life, and security, so Google and manufacturers keep them tucked away behind a secret tapping method to prevent casual users from accidentally changing a critical system behavior. On Samsung phones, you'll go to Settings and scroll all the way down to the About Phone section. Then, this is the part that's going to make you feel like a hacker. You're going to scroll down to Software Information, find the build number, and tap that 7 times. Not 6, not 8, but 7 times. Then you'll confirm with your PIN, and developer settings will be added. You can access them by going back to your phone's main settings, and you'll see them all the way down on the bottom. This is basically a hidden set of advanced system settings designed primarily for app creators to test their software under various simulated conditions. They act as a power user control panel that allows you to bypass standard consumer restrictions. Many people use them to speed up their phones by shortening animation scales, but these tools are fundamentally meant for troubleshooting and optimizing how hardware and software interact. If you want to turn developer settings off, you can just toggle them off on the very top. The menu disappears from your settings, and you'll need to do the 7-tap gesture again to bring it back. If you're on a Pixel phone, the process is the same, but in a slightly different place. You'll go to Settings and then scroll down to the About Phone section. From there, you'll scroll all the way down and you should see the build number, and you'll need to tap that 7 times. Then confirm with your PIN, and you're done. On Pixel phones, the Developer Options menu goes in a different place, so you'll need to navigate to the System menu and then scroll down to find these settings. Like I said, they are mostly for software developers, but you can do some cool stuff with them, like tweak audio codec settings for better audio quality, or set your phone to always stay awake while charging. And that's pretty much it. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.